Welcome back to our Plan Set 8 project here in SketchUp for Schools. In this episode, we're going to create some downspouts for our gutter system that we created in our previous episode. To start off with, whenever we're doing this, we're going to be using the Follow Me tool. And so we need both the shape, which in this case is really easy as it's just a rectangle, but we need the line that signifies where this shape is going to go. So to begin with, let's take our tape measure and we're going to mark off our guides. So we're going along the green axis. We're going to go 4 inches onto the wall. Over here we have a 1-foot overhang for our roof. So we want to go along that green axis on the gutter system. We're going to go 16 inches. And that should line up down here. At this point, we're going to draw in a vertical line going along the red axis, or it should be a red axis. We're going to create a guide at the center point, which is 1.5 inches. So our gutter overall is going to be 2 inches deep. We're going to go 1.5 inches to each side. And now we can take our rectangle tool, draw in that rectangle. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line at the back of this shape. So we're going to go hit the up arrow key. We're going to go down. We'll go down about 3 inches. Then we're going to go back to that 4-inch mark. Take our tape measure and create a guide that is 0.5. Take our line tool and we're going to draw a line going from there all the way down to the bottom. Hit escape. We can come up here and erase this little line right there. So that is our little downspout. Here at the very bottom, we can create a little curve if we don't want to. So go 3 inches there. Take our arc tool. Let's go with this one. And we're just going to create a little tangent. And then erase that mark. So we'll see kind of how that looks. Like always, we want to make sure that our Follow Me tool is up. We're going to come in here, select our line. Click the Follow Me tool and then click our shape. Next, we're going to come over to the components. We're going to click on the 3D warehouse and we're going to search for splash block. You should see this splash block too. we're simply going to bring that in and place it under our spout. Let's go ahead and turn this into a component. And let's go ahead and place it on one on the other end. Hit your left arrow key and we can place it there. If we want to make sure that it is go our 4 inches. And let's take our splash block and bring it over here to the other side as well. Next, to carry these over to the other side, we're going to select both of these right here. We're going to turn it into a group. Hit Control. We're going to bring it straight over along the red axis. Rotate it around. Hit your right arrow key in order to snap it over here to the wall. Over in our outliner panel, we have our little gutter system. So we can kind of rename this to making sure that you actually hit enter. We can also work on tags. So we can create a new tag and just put exterior miscellaneous. Select all those and put them in there. So now everything lines up. At this point, let's go ahead and draw in our driveway before we get into our textures and materials here in the next video. So with our tape measure, the actual driveway is 2 feet smaller on each side. So we create our guides, select your rectangle tool, and create your rectangle. We're going to take our tape measure again. We're going to go down 1/2 inch. So down 1/2 inch. We're going to slope our driveway. So we're going to go up to that point. Over here, we're going to go up 3 inches and create our side. Next, we can take our push-pull tool and bring that all the way over. Triple click on it, right click, and we can make this a group where we're not going to have multiple of these, so it's turning into a group is fine. So in our next episode, we're going to place in all of the textures and materials. We're going to make sure that we do it in a way that has us doing as less work as possible while we look to finish this up. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes on our playlist and channel.